Hi y'all, today we're going to be doing something super easy. We are doing mushroom pasties. For this, we got a couple eggs, we got some puff pastry, some olive oil, salt, black pepper, ground mustard, some sliced mushrooms, Worcestershire sauce, and some shredded cheese. I have a 4-cheese blend. You can use whatever shredded cheese you would like. But before we get to cooking, we're on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to cooking. Hey y'all, so we're going to start by putting a skillet on a medium-high heat. Put some olive oil in here. Then I have 16 ounces of sliced mushrooms. You can use your favorite mushrooms or whatever mushrooms you'd like. Then we're going to go ahead and get these mixed around, start sauteing them, cooking them down. And while these are beginning to cook, we're going to take half a teaspoon of salt. We're going to take 1/8 a teaspoon of our black pepper. We're going to take 1/4 of a teaspoon of our ground mustard. Once they begin to cook and soften up, we're going to take our Worcestershire sauce. And we're going to do about a tablespoon of it. Then we're going to go ahead and shut off the heat. So now we're going to go over to our puff pastries. You can do them in a triangle or a square, or whatever you prefer. Then we're going to take our mushrooms. Very carefully put them on. Then we're going to sprinkle on some of our shredded cheese. Then we're going to close them up. Alright, once you have them folded over, the best way to get a good close on them is take a fork and just pinch the edges. Now we're just going to take our egg wash, which is just 1 egg and a little bit of cold water beaten together. Alright, once we have that done, we are going to throw these in the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 to 18 minutes until they're done. At that point, I'll bring you back. Alright y'all, and there we have a mushroom pasties. Now these are best served hot, and that's all we have left to do is just serve them up. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.